welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And you know what this is. It's a super scoop. How exciting. I had to stop what I was doing and get this recorded because I could not wait to see what's in here and to show you. So we're gonna go through it. I'm gonna scoot the box to the side and then we're gonna look at the stuff. Okay, so first we have whatever is in here. I know this is a mat, but there's something. Oh, it's an armrest. Let's look at that. Couture.com, product of the USA, Max Estrada. All right. And then, of course, the silicone mat. I have a ton of these, but you can really never have enough because they get dirty. Cool thing is you can throw them in your washing machine and just wash them and then they're clean again. Happy to have it. We got one of these candy boxes. I've got some of these in my previous scoops. It's just for storage. You can put whatever you want in there. Looks like we've got a pile of nail tips, so let's check them out. Okay, so these are half cover coffins. Definitely can make use of that. That is my favorite nail shape. And then we have some more half cover coffins, but these are in the natural color instead of the clear. We have some full cover. They're like the round at the end shape. Yeah, it just says round, so full cover rounds. I could probably sharpen that a little bit though. And then, ooh, sculptured square mediums. I love their sculptured tips. Square is not necessarily my favorite. I like a taper, but I will use those. Sports length. It looks like they're squares as well, so they're just short ones. Definitely can use that, especially for those who don't like a little length. And another sports length square. So those are the nail tips we've got. All right, and then we got one of these containers. I've gotten a few of these before. I really like them. They're just like assorted decorations. I like to do like a mystery situation. Just pick one of these and be like, okay, whatever's in here, gotta use it. And look at the sparkle on this stuff. It's really nice. What's this? I haven't seen this before. Forever Color Ink. Ah. Uh-oh. Okay, so it looks like it's watercolor paint, which I have a nice collection of, and I really like painting nails with watercolor paints. So this is pretty cool. It's a nice little kit. Anybody who has not had the chance to try watercolor paints, this would be a great thing to have. It looks like we've got another one, and this one says Mermaid Pearls ink. Let's see what colors those are. Okay, so these are the iridescent metallic-y ones. We've got some that are creams and some that are metallics. That's nice. We did get another one of these little pot things. This one's got these clear little caviar beads in it though. I do have some of these already, but I'm afraid to open them. So it looks like we've got some sort of pots here, so let's check it out. All right, so bubblegum gel in light pink, ivory, pink, and spring candy? What's that? I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to cut that open to find out. I believe bubblegum gel is nail adhesive. Is that right? Let me know. It looks like we got a polish of some kind. It just says 003. Let's open it. Okay. It seems to be sparkly. I don't know if this is a top coat, if it's a magnetic. I don't know if it's a magnetic, also known as a cat eye. We would have to experiment to find out because the label is not informative. All right, so it's another one of those little pots, but in a smaller and clear container. I can see some seashells and pearls and stuff in here, so this is probably gonna be a really cute pack for a summery, oceany themed nail set. We have another one of these. This one's called Festival Colors. Okay, so these are some more creams, but they are definitely different than the ones that were in the Forever Colors. We're getting quite the collection of paints here. And then I've got these two things. This one says nail glue. This one doesn't say anything, but I assume it's a nail glue. Neither one of them are full, but they're also not spilled. I don't know how that happens. Okay, we've got something in a box. It says glass candy jar. Okay, so it's a Dapping dish with this lid. I think I have a really small version of this that I got as like one of the items in my Maniology monthly box thing, so that's good to have. I'm gonna put that back in there though for safety. We have something here. Nail remover cotton. Nail remover cotton? Is this just like a lint-free wipe? Boy, let me get a knife. I'm stabbing holes all in this box. Okay, let's see what's in here. Huh, okay. So I think it's just like, it's got fingernail polish remover on a pad, and it's just in like these to-go packs, but it does say special nail remover for gel polish, so I'm not super sure. We're gonna have to experiment. I'm not sure about this. I've not seen this product before. All right, we did get a 6-pack of alcohol inks. I really like alcohol inks, and I was hoping to get some because I've been practicing with them, and the ones that I already have, the liquid, the blending liquid that goes with it is gross and running low, and they don't blend that well. So I'm hoping these will be better. And as a matter of fact, it looks like I got another pack of them that are just a little bit different. They have these tall lids. The colors may be different. It looks like they are, but that's great. No idea how I'm gonna fit this on my nail polish shelf with this lid. We have a item. It says Petite Macaron. I think this might be a magnet. These are really good for picking up caviar beads. That's what I think it is. I might be able to use that to push around magnetic polish as well. I'm not really sure, but interesting. We have this. I suspect it's monomer. Yes, it is monomer, Pink Magic monomer. I assume that's their regular kind. I hope so. I'll have to give that a try. We've got this. Okay, it says brush wipes. I bet they're just like baby wipes, but dry. It's like those lint-free wipes, but in a way bigger version. That's cool because I'm always having to wipe my brushes on paper towels. This will probably be better. What you want to bet? This is one of them little flashlights. It sure is. And look at it. It is dead. Flashy lamp. Does this take batteries? I bet it does. It does take batteries, and there's none. Okay. I think these are probably throwback since they're not rechargeable. Looks like we've got some poly gels here. Princess Pink, Eternal Beige, Crystal Clear. These are 15-gram tubes. That's pretty small, but you can definitely get at least one nail set, maybe two, depending on how much nail you're doing out of these. And that's a great way to get a sampling of the colors to see which ones you like. I'm not going to open them though right now because I am not prepared to make swatches. And it looks like we've got some stickers here. So it's like people. These seem to be people too-ish. And we got some Halloween stickers and then some more of the same. And then this is the last thing. So it's a cup, but the straw came broken, unfortunately. Okay, so it looks like this part is full of glitter and the straw just passes through it, and then we've got this like little round things on the side. I guess they're supposed to move around, sort of, but they're like staticky. I wonder if this is supposed to be full of like water or something to make this move around because nothing is moving. I don't know. Let me know if you know. There's a ball on the outside though. I don't know how it got on the outside. But yeah, that's what we've got. So, super scoop. It is 99 doll hairs. Luckily, I got mine with a 30% off coupon code. That definitely helps to offset this value because I was hoping to get one of the bigger, more expensive items because I know that some people do, but I'm happy with the items I got. I got a bigger variety of items than I did on my previous scoops. My previous scoops were just heavily nail tips and not even ones that I would want. These at least are good ones. And then I'm really happy that I've got these alcohol inks. I also really want to try this out. I've never used Max's polishes. Definitely want to try out his monomer. I already have some of his acrylics. I'm glad that I got the poly gels and the bubblegum gels and those watercolor inks. I may distribute those though, because I do have a pretty big palette of watercolors. Definitely gonna find out about these and what they do. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have gotten one of the super scoops before, let me know down below what you got in yours. And if you have not gotten one, do you want to? Based on what you've seen here or any other content, is it something that you are interested in getting for yourself? Let me know. And thank you so much for watching this video, especially if you made it to the end. Please make sure you are subscribed so you're not missing my content, and please make sure you're following my socials. Sometimes I post things over there that I don't post here. And then of course, as usual, check the description down below. There are discount codes and links for a variety of different stores and brands and things like that. So if you're shopping anyway, might as well save some dough. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.